Hello and welcome to the next Super Solver problem. The problem reads, if you were having a party with 24 people and you had 4 pieces, how would you cut the pieces so that everybody got the same size piece? So before I start cutting circles, I'm going to think about how many slices do I need to get out of each pizza first. So if there are 24 people and I have 4 pizzas, I'm going to divide 24 by 4. And 24 divided by 4 gives me 6. So that means out of each pizza, it needs to be 6 slices. So that means each of these pizzas have to be divided into sixths. Now, if I started trying to make halves on the pizzas, it would be really hard to start with halves and end up with sixes. It can be done. We can do it kind of by eye, but not exactly. It's kind of hard to look at sometimes. So instead of doing that, I'm going to use, instead of doing it, trying to divide it in half, I always like to think of thirds as Y's. So if I start over here, I'm going to start from this side and make the top of a Y, and then I make the bottom half. When we connect those two pieces, it kind of divides it into thirds. Let me try that one more time. Starting with a very wide Y at the top, then going to the bottom and connecting it. To me, that's the easiest way to make thirds. And I'm making thirds because if I divide something into thirds, it's very easy to make it into 6 after that, because now all I do is split each one of those pieces in half, and that will give me my 6 pieces. So if I take half of this one, half of that one, half of this one. Now all we have to do is split our thirds in half to give us 6 pieces in each one. And even this one that I started off in half, if we do 2 lines, we can split that into 3 pieces also. That's just a different way of making 6. All right, is that the answer you got? Now we have 6 times 4 gives us 24 slices. Remember, it's all about the process. See you next time.